Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the big chop just like I talked about in my last video. So if you haven't checked out that video, make sure that you do. I will put it up here in the card and I will link it down below in the description box. You guys, I really want to do something different with my hair. It looks really healthy right now, but actually it's not. I actually have a lot of color damage, you guys, from using box dye multiple times and just not treating my hair properly, not taking care of it, moisturizing it, like the whole nine. So the only option that I can see is the big chop, and honestly I'm ready. Like, it's the new year, I'm ready for something new, and I never cut my hair super short, so I thought, hey, now is the time to do that. My last big chop was probably in 2011, but I was transitioning, so my hair was already at like a decent length by then. So really I just had to cut out the parts of my hair that was permed, and I could still fit my hair in a ponytail back then, but I've never cut my hair super short. But today is the day. I'm definitely going to cut off all of this color damage hair, and we're just going to start from scratch, guys. I'm really worried about the health of my hair. Like, I really want big beautiful curls that are healthy, and honestly right now it's not giving that. So this year it's just about healthy and divine energy only. And I heard that hair holds a lot of energy and trauma, so I'm just ready to cut this hair off. So there's here. And I have my favorite detangling comb from Conair. The teeth on this comb, I don't know, it must be a science behind it, but I love detangling my hair with this comb. I will link it down below for you guys. I'm going to start off with actually parting my hair in 4 different sections. But first we have to detangle this hair. So I just want to show you guys how I detangle my hair using this comb just a little bit. I really start off on the ends, and then I move my way up the shaft of my hair until it's all detangled. And honestly, I'm embarrassed to say, but I have not detangled my hair in quite a while. So I'm going to finish the rest off camera and then I'll be right back. So you guys, now that our hair is detangled, honey, and it's parted into 4 different sections, it's time to cut this hair. Now I'm really going to be focusing on the color damage first, and as you can see the line here, you can literally see where the color is and then where my new growth is. So we're definitely going to cut all of that off first. You can clearly see the harsh line that separates my new growth from the color damage, so we're definitely going to cut a lot of that off. And I don't know if you guys can tell from the background, but I just celebrated a birthday, so shout out to all the Capricorns. And honestly, happy birthday to all the Capricorn queens that follow me. But also shout out to all the signs, actually, guys. I wonder who's following me. Do I have more Virgos, Cancers, more Sagittariuses? So I want you guys to leave your zodiac signs down below if you are subscribed to my channel. So yeah, I really wanted a big change, including like having a birthday in the new year. I really I just want something different, and I want to just be in a healthy space in every aspect of my life. So let's get into this cut, y'all. So I'm really just going to start off with like a smaller section, and we're going to go in and just cut. Like I said, I'm focused on the color damage, and then I'm going to go through later and cut even more off. But this is the first cut, guys. This is about how much I cut off, and I was really happy about it. And then we're just going to move on to the next section. If you guys are contemplating doing the big chop, my advice would be to just do it. Like, as I start cutting my hair, I instantly started feeling like a lot better, honestly, because I know that my hair is about to be the most healthy that it's ever been, just because I'm doing what is necessary for like healthy hair growth, and it's no need to hold on to dead hair. Do you know what I mean? Like, my hair it has not been performing well, it doesn't even feel good. So we're just gonna cut off anything that's dead, not just in our hair but in our lives this year, guys. And we're gonna go after everything God has for us this year. Okay, so now I'm gonna move to the back sections and do the exact same thing.
Stress, don't sweat. work tomorrow, tell me what the business is. Ain't about no club hop, I'm trying to start some businesses. Shorty, you thought it was, they better know it's not that. Talking all that online, they knowing that it's not fake. Sliding through my hood, I make maneuvers like a Uber, baby. Got a 10-year plan, these can't tell what they doing lately. And I'm way too clean, I'm Listerine, I thought they been knew it. All in my lungs, I got my red cup full of that hint fluid. Young middle Mad Mac, I'm swinging.
Okay, y'all, so this was all of the hair that I cut off my head. I don't know, I would say I cut off about 3 inches, but I'm actually going to cut off more. So now it's time to wash our hair, and I'm going to go in with this Amika Cure Strength Repair Trial Kit. And actually, if you know anything about Sephora, around your birthday time, they let you come in and pick out a free gift. So I picked this up at my local Sephora, and it has the Strength Repair Shampoo, it has the Strength Repair Conditioner, and also it has the Cure Mask as well. So I'm going to use all 3 of these today, and I'm going to be doing like a review on this product as well. But I'm so glad and happy that I got my hands on this, because I know the girls have been raving about Amika. But I will be back after I do this 3-step process to give you guys my final thoughts and my review thoughts and show you guys the final look.
Human air, and I need not mention no extensions, that's human hair. Boy, we grew in there. Around through that left side, low end. All of mine need more wins. If you got beef, don't come out, cause my young hitter might go in. Uptown GN, working all through my weekend. Hoping these don't show out, cause all of my hitters too.
Hey y'all, so this is the final look. I actually really like using these products. I have a little bit of the shampoo left and the mask as well. The repair mask, I actually really enjoyed using this. My favorite one was the mask. I don't know, it left my hair feeling defined, feeling really soft and airy. I don't know. And I actually went in like with this gel that I got, a little bit of grease actually. But I'm gonna show you guys those products in another video, so make sure you are subscribe to my channel and you also like this video, guys. I'm gonna do my first wash and go in the next video. So I was just testing out the products a little bit first before I bring it to y'all, just to see like how well it holds. This is it. We are starting fresh, we're starting new this year. It's a very freeing moment. I actually love my hair like this. If you guys want to follow my journey back to healthy, just flourishing hair, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I will see you in the next video.